Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I make this gorgeous headband. So I'm using a yarn, a 4-weight yarn, acrylic yarn, and my crochet hook is a 3.5 millimeter. But before we get into the video, do not forget to like my video, share, subscribe. Please give my video a thumbs up and leave a comment if you enjoy the video. So we're going to start with a slip knot here. And we are going to chain 3. So when you chain 3, then you go back into the first chain, and then you're going to put a double crochet into the first chain. So once you do the first double crochet, then you're going to do chain 3, then you're going to do another chain 3, so you have a total of 6 chains. But keep in mind, you have to do a double crochet again into the 3rd stitch. If I am making any sense, you're going to do 6 chains and you're going to put a double crochet into the 3rd stitch. So again, you're going to do another 6 chains, and we're going to just keep repeating this and do a double crochet into the 3rd stitch. So we're going to repeat this for a total of 9. So we have 9 knots there. So now I'm doing a chain 4. After the 9 knots, you do chain 4. You go right on top of your first knot there, and then under the 2 loops, you go under the 2 loops, and then you yarn over. Yes, and then you yarn over 2, you pull up a loop again, and you do this and you yarn over 2. So you just keep repeating this until you have 4 loops on your hook. So you're going to keep yarning over and pulling up your loop for a total of 3 times, and you have 4 loops, and then you chain 3. So when you chain 3, you go back again, you yarn over, you go back into the same space, and then you're going to repeat the same thing. You're going to insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over 2 times. You're going to do this for the total of 3 times, and you have 4 loops on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over once. You're going to yarn over the 4 loops, and then you're going to chain 1. So once you chain 1, then you go into the 2nd knot, and then you're going to yarn over 2 again, repeating the same thing, yarning over 2 times, and then you're going to do this just only for 3 times, as I said, and you have 4 loops on your hook, and then you're going to yarn over everything. And then you're going to do a chain again of 4, and then you're going to go back into that same place where you did the first stitch, and you're going to repeat it. So you need to have 2 clusters there of this stitch. Honestly guys, I do not know how to explain this stitch, what is called exactly. I don't know. It's kind of similar to a puff stitch, but it's not exactly a puff stitch. So we just keep yarning over 2 times. So we're going to just keep repeating this until we get to the end of the row, and do not forget to do a chain of 4 in between and repeat the same stitch again. And this is how, this is the simplest way I can explain this. I hope you guys understand it, and please leave a comment in the comment section if you have any question regarding this stitch. So guys, what I'm doing here now is putting my last stitch into the end of the row. So I'm going to do 2 of this, chain 4, and then we'll repeat it again. So now I'm done. We're going to chain 2. When you get to the end of that row, then you turn your work. Not really turn. You're going to just go beneath your first thing, and then we're going to do a double crochet after you chain 2, and then you go back under that loop, and then we are going to repeat what we have been doing, and we're just going to yarn over 2 times and until we have 4 loops on our hook, and then we are going to yarn through, and we're going to do another chain 4 and repeat it again inside that space. So you're going to go back into that space and repeat it all around. So you're walking around for this project. So you're just going to repeat it again, and make sure you have to repeat it under the same stitch you were working previously. So once you end your last stitch, you're going to do a chain of 3, and then we are going to go back into that chain 2 space we started with, and then we are going to do a slip knot. Now I'm going to chain 1 and fasten off, cut off this yarn, and we're going to change colors. So now I change my yarn color. So now I'm going to start at the corner. So when you slip knot, you start at the corner, and then you're going to do we're going to start with a single crochet. So at the corner you're going to put 3 double crochet. Make sure you start at the corner. You put a 3 double crochet into the first corner, that corner, and then you go into the next stitch. The next stitch is just right above the stitch you made previously. So we're just going to go into the next stitch, and we're going to do 1 single crochet. And into the chain 4 space, we are going to do 5 single crochet. So this is how we are going to prepare. We are going to do a 5 single crochet into that space. So what we're just basically doing, in the chain 1 space you put in 1 single crochet, in the chain 4 space you put 5 single crochet. We'll just keep repeating this until we get to the end of the row. We just repeat this around. So it's pretty simple. 5 single crochet into the front, into the chain 4 space, 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space. So I'm done with my 5 single crochet into that last space, and now I am going to skip the first chain. I will go into the second chain, skip the first chain, and go into second chain and do a slip knot, and then I'm going to go into the next, and then I'm going to slip knot. So I'm at the middle, as you can see. I'm at the middle of that row, at the middle of that place, and we are going to do the strap now. So what we do is do a single crochet, you remove the hook, and you go into and this is more like an high cord strap for the strap for this headband. So just I'm going to repeat it again so you can see what I did. You go into the next, after your slip stitch, you go into the next stitch, remove your hook, pull up the yarn, go back again into the hook, you left the yarn, and then again you repeat it. So we are going to repeat this. I repeated this for a total of, I think, 30. I did a total of 30 round for this. I did this 30 times, so we'll just keep repeating this. So after my strap, I'm done with the strap. You're just going to chain 1, and then you're going to do another chain of 3. So we repeat the same pattern what I've did now. I'm doing this just for the tip of the strap. You're going to into that space, you're going to yarn over 2 times, and then you go back in again into that chain, the first chain. Then you just repeat it like that until you have 4 hooks on or 4 loops on your hook. Then you do that. You're going to do another chain 3, and you will go back again into that same space, into the same space where you did the first one. Yeah, you go back there again, and then you do this again, repeating the same pattern, the same stitch pattern we did for the band. So we're just making 4 petals here. So once we have 4 petals, I'm going to fasten off. So I'm done with the other strap. So I'm going now to the other one. I'm going to do a slip knot into my hook and then going to the other side for the strap and repeat the same thing, starting with a single crochet and doing a strap and repeating the same thing I did the other side for the other strap. I hope this I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope my explanation and the tutorial is pretty easy, and please leave a comment in the comment section to let me know if you enjoyed the video, if you understand the tutorial especially. So this is the end of this video. We have come to the end. Please like, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give my video a thumbs up. Click on the notification bell to get notified next that I post. See you in the next one.